What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today we're gonna do a Dollar Tree or Starbucks ornament DIY. Yes, for this DIY, you're gonna need some stickers or just some, how should I say, adhesive paper, some those tiny little cute cups, some spray foam, like caulking foam, a glue gun, and a green straw, guys. So let's get started. Okay, guys. First and foremost, reading is fundamental. I think that is the saying. Before you start any project, especially using something that you're not familiar with, like myself, please read this can. And it do say shake this bad boy like for a minute, okay? Which I have already done. Let me also say this. I am freestyling this DIY. So however it comes out is how it comes out, whether it's a fail or it's a success. Okay, guys? So now that y'all know where I'm at, let's get started for real, okay? So like I said, I've shaken this bad boy. I have never ever in my entire life used this, okay? So y'all might want to be saying a prayer as y'all watching this, that your girl is able to, number one, upload this video so y'all can actually see what happened, and number two, what is going on, and that I live to tell the story. So I guess it's the same thing, but in T-way. So you see I screwed that bad boy on it. I'm assuming it's on that bad boy. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? And so this I'm gonna put it in our little cup. Now y'all know this little cup is plastic. Now they do have at the Dollar Tree some shot glasses that are more sturdy, but only 4 come to a pack. Of course, it's still $1 because why? It's at the Dollar Tree. But so if you wanted something a little bit more sturdy, go ahead and hook them shot glasses. But for me, I wanted more, and I already saw this pack came 20 to a pack. So anyway, that's just to let you know y'all got options out there. And the shot glasses are a little bit taller than this as well. Anyway, so we're going to just take an empty cup and we take our foam. Now we're going to pray to God. Number one, I'm in my kitchen, so I'm not in a super closed area. So if you're in a super closed area, you might not want to do this in that area. You might want to actually do this outside or somewhere that the fumes, just in case these fumes are strong. You don't want to die, people. Don't die for no DIY. Death is not part of the DIY, okay? Let's not do that, okay? Thanks. So anyway, that's enough talking. I just want to really let y'all know I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go. So I'm going to apply the foam in here because we're creating a Starbucks Frappuccino in the cute little red cups, just in case y'all didn't make that connection. But here we go. And hopefully y'all can see it in the film. Go. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, okay. Whoa. Alrighty then. That came out kind of cute. But by the touch, it's kind of cold. Not super cold, but you could feel a temperature change in the surface. Hey, I might have not put so much in it, but hey, to me, hey, what's up? That's kind of cute. What you talking about? And as y'all see, I'm just trying to shape it to a little something something. Now I know what I'm working with, so the next cup will be a little kind of cuter. But to me, this is cute. Hold up, y'all see that? Look at that foam action. Look like real whipped cream, don't it? Okay, come on through, foam. So now, once again, y'all, I don't know. It looks like it's kind of expanding. Let's get a closer look. It looks like it's kind of expanding. So I'm assuming it dries, y'all. I really don't know, but this tip, I'm finna clean it off just with a paper towel so it won't get clogged. But tell me that ain't cute already, guys. So I've already cut my straw, and so I might not even need the hot glue. So I'm gonna just put this straw up in this bad boy. See if it stays, and it does. Hey, come through, straw. Hey, we're gonna see if it stays. Oh my God, how cute is that, y'all? Booyah. So we're gonna let this dry, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Like I said, I'm keeping it 100. This bad boy is still growing, okay? Look at it. I said, oh, you know what? I put too much up in there. So this time, we ain't gonna put that much. Less is best. How about that? So I'm literally not gonna even fill it to the top and just allow it to grow. And if I need more, then I will apply more. But that sucker. Y'all see this bad boy is still growing, guys. Look at it. It's still growing. So I'm gonna just put this amount in. I just filled it and see what that do. I just wanted to give y'all that tip because I'm keeping it 100 because this bad boy, I don't know what it's doing. Okay, thanks. Okay, guys, I want y'all to see how big this bad boy went. That's how big it got. Now, to the touch, it's hard. You see, it's kind of mushy. But yeah. Don't do what I did the first time. And this is how the one looked that I showed y'all earlier. Perfect. So use that amount, guys, to get this amount that, came up. And also, it's not hard. Now, I don't know how hard this is going to get. Why? Because this is trial and error, guys. And let me add something else. I don't know how to clean this, so I'm gonna have to look this up. Hopefully somebody on YouTube know how to clean it, because I don't know how to clean it, but I tell y'all how not to clean it. Don't take this bad boy off and try to run water through it. That don't work, okay? Because when you put the bad boy back on, the air or whatever from the can makes it shoot like a gun, and you might kill yourself or others. It don't come out that hard, but I'm giving y'all a warning. Don't do what I do, okay? Trial and error always on this video. So anyway, guys, so we got the amount that we want, and I wanted to add like a caramel look. So I'm gonna take this paint, which I got from Walmart. Also, guys, I got this foam stuff from Walmart. And it was only $2 and something, so it's not that expensive, guys. I think it was $2.50. I'm not sure, but it's the GE foam kind, Walmart. And I got this paint from Walmart. I think it's like 59 cents. Anyway, I don't know where I got this from, but anyway, I'm gonna put some water in this acrylic paint and mix it together so I can have more of a runny consistency. And I'll be right back, guys. I just wanted to show you guys how much paint. I'm not gonna put that much paint in there. Probably about, let's say 6 drops. I don't know, guys. I never had to measure paint, but that's how much paint I'm putting in there. And then I'm gonna put maybe this much, that much water. So I'll be right back, guys. But that much paint is how much I put in there. Can y'all even see that? Oh, Lord. With the water. And that is more than enough. Yeah, don't put that much water in there. Just barely cover that surface at the bottom. And you already see it's turning that caramel look. And that's all I wanted. Now, once again, guys, I don't know how this is going to work. Because why? You already know that foam said it's water resistant. So this bad boy might just, repel the bad boy. Dude. It ain't even recording no more. Oh, my God. Okay, guys, this much water. This much. And I got already the caramel consistency I want. So just barely, less than maybe a teaspoon of water, if that much. Don't put that much water in there, guys. I just barely covered the bottom of this container. So that's not a lot of water at all. Okay, y'all, my caramel is ready. And we're going to pray to God, because y'all know this is water resistance. We're going to pray to God it sticks. So I'm just gonna do it like I would regular caramel, however you want to say it. Oh my God, it's so cute. And I just let it naturally drop. It don't need that much, guys. And you can wipe your cup off. Don't worry about that. Just put as much as you want it to do. No, that ain't dropping like I want it to drop. So, yes. Oh, yeah. And I think that's more than enough, guys, to give the effect that I wanted. And let it drizzle. It looks like it's actually just going inside the cup. Now, what we don't know how this is affecting the foam, people. But that's the consistency I wanted. Let's show it closer. Hey, caramel. Too cute. So let's let that dry. Okay, guys, just to give you a quick tip, because y'all already know I'm freestyling this DIY, and something that I should have did before I actually added the foam with your blank cup. And if you want to make this into a ornament, I suggest to already have your string, whatever of choice, glue it at the bottom, of course leaving this up, and then add your foam. Okay, guys? Then that way you don't have to worry about trying to stick something through the foam, jacking it up or whatever. Already have the string or whatever in place. This is fishing wire or whatever the heck you call it. Do it to the bottom, glue it to the bottom, then add your foam. Okay? Thanks. But since I didn't do it, I know y'all can't see it. It's still the fishing wire, or whatever you call it. I'm gonna take it. I made a knot into it, a little knot, and I'm gonna take my little cut piece of straw that I've already cut, as you see, and then I'm gonna just hot glue that bad boy in there some kind of freaking way. Okay, guys. And then that way, when I attach the straw, I have me a string. Is it gonna work? We already know. Say it together. We don't know if this mess gonna work. But at least y'all see that my attempt of trying to make it work, okay? So I just put that glue up in that vat on it, and I'm sticking it in the straw. Can y'all see it? Yeah. So let's pray it works. And y'all can actually just add more glue in there, because you ain't gonna see inside of that damn straw. But it looked like this is working. So I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm getting ready to print out my Starbucks sticker, and it's real easy. All you gotta do is go to whatever label brand that you're using. I'm using Avery, and they give you instructions on how to get to the templates if you're not familiar with that. And just use whatever template it suggests, or in this case, I couldn't find the one that they said, but the number up here is usually a good go by. So found the template, downloaded it, and then booyah, found the actual logo. Of course, you just Google it, find the Starbucks logo, and then you print it out. It took me a couple of times to get it centered properly, but I did, and it's that easy, guys. And then you just take the sticker off, and you're good to go. Alrighty. So my phone, look y'all, is actually hard now. Look at that caramel. Okay, come through. Y'all already know. Sorry guys, my camera turned off. Here is the finished results. All I did was glue the straw to the actual, of course, the foam. And the foam actually hardened up, like hard. It's not mushy at all, so that's a good thing. So you just take your hot glue, place it on the foam, and apply the straw to it. And so you already saw that I put the string to my straw so I can use it as an ornament and you're going to see a picture coming up with it actually hanging on the tree. And also, this is the paint that I use. This is the color of the paint. So it's a close-up to show you the details if you want to use this same particular paint. Remember, I bought the paint as well as the foam itself from Walmart, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. And also share my video. How about that? Sharing is caring. So guys, I will see you guys next Sunday. Deuces.